Tucked away in the smallest spaces but packed with smart functionality, the micro camper van is redefining what it means to travel light and live large. Built for adventurers who want the freedom to roam without the bulk of a full-sized RV, this compact home on wheels proves that good things really do come in small packages. At just a fraction of the size of traditional motorhomes, this micro camper is easy to park, maneuver, and maintain. Whether you're navigating narrow city streets, winding mountain passes, or coastal highways, the van's small footprint gives you access to places larger rigs simply can't go. But don't let the size fool you, this tiny titan is full of surprises. Step inside, and you're greeted with an intelligently designed interior that maximizes every inch of space. The floor plan is compact yet efficient, with a multifunctional layout that adapts to your needs. During the day, the cabin transforms into a cozy lounge space with a cushioned bench seat, swiveling table, and plenty of natural light streaming in from strategically placed windows and skylights. At night, the seating area quickly converts into a comfortable sleeping space for 1 or 2 travelers. Storage is seamlessly integrated throughout the build. Overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, and hidden drawers keep your gear organized and out of sight. Every surface and fixture serves a dual purpose, from the collapsible sink and folding countertop to the convertible bed and stowaway kitchen unit. This isn't just clever design, it's a lifestyle choice built around simplicity, minimalism, and mobility. The micro camper comes equipped with a compact but capable kitchen. A 2-burner gas stove, small fridge, and freshwater sink make meal prep on the go both easy and enjoyable. There's even a pop-up table that slides out for outdoor cooking or dining under the stars. With a portable power station or solar setup, you're free to camp off-grid for days without sacrificing essential comforts. Many modern micro campers are also fitted with climate control options, including roof fans, insulated panels, and optional heaters, ensuring you're ready for any season. LED lighting throughout the interior adds a warm, energy-efficient glow at night, making the space feel more like a cozy cabin than a car. Tech-savvy travelers will appreciate USB charging ports, Bluetooth lighting, and even Wi-Fi boosters in some models. Meanwhile, the cockpit of the van remains functional and ergonomic, with upgraded seating, smart infotainment systems, and safety features like rear-view cameras and parking sensors. What truly sets the micro camper apart is its ability to blur the line between daily driver and adventure vehicle. It's just as comfortable on a weekend getaway as it is on a cross-country road trip. You can use it to commute during the week and escape into the wilderness on weekends without the need for a second vehicle. Whether you're a digital nomad, a weekend warrior, or simply someone looking to downsize and simplify, the micro camper van offers freedom, flexibility, and function. It embodies the spirit of van life in a smaller, smarter package, proving that you don't need a mansion on wheels to explore the world. With rising fuel costs, growing environmental concerns, and a renewed interest in minimalist living, the micro camper van is more than a trend, it's a movement. A call to adventure for those who believe that less truly is more. The road is calling, and with this tiny traveler, you're always ready to answer.